students. Yesterday we have studied this triangle. Triangle means it is a closed figure made by joining these three non-collinear points by line segments. Vertices, sides and angles of a triangle are called these parts of this triangle. There are types of triangle based on angles and based on sides. Based on sides, equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle and scalene triangle. And based on angles, acute angle triangle, right angle triangle and obtuse angle triangle. Then today we are going to study here this in this chapter practice set 36. Practice set 36. See in your textbook page number 18. First one question. Observe the figures below and write the type of triangle based on its angles. See first one here. Here one angle is right angle. Therefore triangle PQR is a right angled triangle. In second figure you see here this one angle is obtuse angle. Then triangle XYZ is this obtuse angled triangle. In third one figure, these three angles are these acute angles. Then this triangle LMN is and this acute angled triangle. Then second one, see this question. Observe the figures below. Write the types of the triangle based on its sides. You see this first one figure here, three sides equal. Therefore triangle ABC is equilateral triangle. In second figure here, three sides different. Therefore triangle DEF is a scalene triangle. In second figure, third one figure here, two sides equal. Therefore triangle UVW is a isosceles triangle. Then third one figure you see here. As shown in the figure, Avinash is standing near his house. He can choose from these two roads to go to school, and which way is shorter, explain why. See here two roads, AC1 road and second one road from house to school. Here AB and BC, here two roads are there. Then firstly you cross this AP, afterwards BC. This road is longer and AC road is shorter. Then you write here AC is equal to AB plus BC, means AC road is shorter than this AB plus BC. Then fourth one question, see. The lengths of the sides of these some triangles are given. Say what type of triangles they are. See first one here, lengths given 3 cm, 4 cm and 5 cm. Means all three sides different. Therefore this triangle is scalene triangle. Second one, see here sides given 3.4 cm, 3.4 cm and 5 cm. Here only two sides equal, 3.4 cm and 3. When two sides equal, then this is isosceles triangle. Third one, see 4.3, 4.3, 4.3. Here three sides equal, therefore this triangle is a equilateral triangle. Then fourth one, see here 3.7 cm, 3.4 cm and 4 cm. All three sides are different, therefore this triangle is a scalene triangle. Then fifth one question, see. The lengths of these three segments are given for constructing a triangle. Say whether a triangle with these sides can be drawn and give the reason for your answer. See first one. The lengths of these three segments are given here. Say 17 cm, 7 cm and 8 cm. Then for constructing a triangle, say whether a triangle with these sides can be drawn, give the reason for your answer. First you do here addition of these two lengths, 7 cm plus 8 cm is equal to 15 cm. Then 15 cm is less than this 17 centimeter. Then this sentence right here, the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the length of the third side. The length of the third side. This sentence right here. See here, the sum of the lengths of any two sides. The sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the lengths of this third side. But here, this sum of this lengths of these two sides is smaller than this third side. This 15 centimeter smaller than this 17 centimeter. Therefore, then you write here triangle here while constructing a triangle. No. Therefore, triangle cannot be drawn. When the sum of the lengths of any two sides of this triangle is greater than this third side, then this triangle can be drawn. Here, this length is sum of this lengths of two sides is here smaller than this third side. Therefore, the triangle cannot be drawn. The triangle cannot be drawn. Again, some examples given here. This one, see second one, 7 centimeter, 24 centimeter, 25 centimeter. Then firstly you do here addition of this 7 centimeter and 24 centimeter, 31 centimeter. This 31 centimeter is greater than that of this third side. Therefore, triangle can be drawn. Then third one, see here 9 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 16 centimeter. Then do here addition of these two lengths of this side. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 centimeter is less than this 16 centimeter. Therefore, triangle cannot be drawn. In this type of this, again some examples given and you do addition and right here triangle can be drawn. Here triangle cannot be drawn. Then in homework you complete this practice set 36. Here this chapter triangles and their properties, this chapter completed. Okay, bye.